A U.S. job guide by state. CareerHonestOp.org/job search/find jobs/state-job-banks.aspx. Jobs by state at zipia.com/jobs. Click a state then a city. Big job websites that cover every state. bc.edu/offices/careers/jobs/links, contains the job listings from all 50 states' employment services. Use the following formulas. .localopenings.com, Alabama.localopenings.com, Maryland.localopenings.com, jobs.careerbuilder.com/al.ic/Alabama, jobs.careerbuilder.com/al.ic/Iowa, .careerlink.com, al.careerlink.com, mn.careerlink.com, careers.com/.htm, careers.com/alabama.htm, careers.com/rhodeisland.htm, coolworks.com/jobs/, coolworks.com/alabama-jobs, coolworks.com/montana-jobs, computerwork.com, Alabama, computerwork.com, Alaska, computerwork.com, .craigslist.org, alabama.craigslist.org, New York.craigslist.org, .jobs.diversityjobs.com, alabama.jobs.diversityjobs.com, employmentguide.com/eg/browse_jobs// employmentguide.com/eg/browse_jobs/al, employment-resources.com/states, employmentspot.com/state/.htm, employmentspot.com/state/al.htm, federaljobsearch.com/alabama.asp, federaljobsearch.com/alaska.asp, flipdog.com/jobs/, flipdog.com/jobs/alabama, geotanjobs.com/html/alabama.html, geotanjobs.com/html/indiana.html, jobancusa.com/jobs/alabama_al, jobancusa.com/jobs/idaho_id, job-hunt.org/jobs/alabama.shtml, job-hunt.org/jobs/louisiana.shtml, alabama.jobing.com, newmexico.jobing.com, alabama.jobopenings.net, newyork.jobopenings.net, alabama.jobs.com, arkansas.jobs.com, al.jobsearch.org, jobsarchusa.org/jobs/District of Columbia, jobsarchusa.org/jobs/Maine, alabama.jobs.latpro.com, arkansas.jobs.latpro.com, location.monster.com/a/al, nationjob.com/alabama, nationjob.com/arkansas, net-temps.com/regional/Alabama jobs, net-temps.com/regional/North Carolina jobs, nursejobsinalabama.com, nursejobsinlouisiana.com, al.plusjobs.com, nv.plusjobs.com, alabama.jobs.prohire.com, illinois.jobs.prohire.com, resumetarget.com/state/alabama.asp, resumetarget.com/state/westvirginiajobs.asp, snagajob.com/state/alabama, snagajob.com/state/Wyoming, statejobs.com/al.html, summerjobs.com/do/where/jobtree/a/al, Alabama, summerjobs.com/do/where/jobtree/a/ak, Alaska, top-jobs-net.com/al, top-jobs-net.com/nd, alabama.jobs.topusajob.com, arkansas.jobs.topusajob.com. thingamajob.com/browse-jobs/states. usjobboard.com/jobsin/Alabama. usjobboard.com/jobsin/Virginia. adamsmedia.com. This company publishes localized employment books about jobs in different regions. State blogs info. Find info about jobs, etc. americanblog.com. alabamablog.org. alaskablogger.org. arizonablog.org. arkansasblog.org. californiablog.org. coloradoblog.org. connecticutblog.org. dcblogger.org. delawareblogger.org. floridablog.org. georgiablog.org. hawaiiblog.org. idahoblog.org. illinoisblog.org. indianablog.org. iowablog.org. kansasblog.org. kentuckyblog.org. louisianablog.org. maineblog.org. marylandblog.org. massachusettsblog.org. michiganblog.org. minnesotablogger.org. mississippiblog.org. missouriblog.org. montanablog.org. nebraskablog.org. nevadablog.org. newhampshireblog.org. newjerseyblog.org. newmexicoblog.org. newyorkblog.org. northcarolinablog.org. northdakotablog.org. ohioblog.org. oklahomablog.org. oregonblog.org. pennsylvaniablog.org. southcarolinablog.org. southdakota.blog.org. tennesseeblog.org. texasblog.org. utahblog.org. vermontblog.org. virginiablog.org. washingtonblog.org. westvirginiablog.org. wisconsinblogger.org. wyomingblog.org. Career info from grade schools. Many state grade school websites have good career education info on them. Alabama. k12.al.us. Alaska. k12.ak.us. Arizona. k12.az.us. Follow the formula K12. The two-letter state abbreviation then .us. For general state websites, try typing the name of the state like alabama.cc, alabama.com, alabama.gov, alabama.net, alabama.org, alabama.us. Local search info. bestplaces.net, foundlocally.com, local.com, truelocal.com, yelp.com, zip411.net. United States websites by formula. 50states.com/travel/.htm. 50states.com/travel/alabama.htm. 50states.com/travel/northcarolina.htm. allgetaways.com. nationalgeographic.com/places/state/state_.html. nationalgeographic.com/places/state/state_alabama.html. roadsideamerica.com/map/.html. citydata.com/forum/alabama. citytowninfo.com/places/alabama.